Hello and welcome to this very special edition of The Right Stand. Namaste, I am Anand Narsimhan. Ladies and gentlemen, it's 100 years of the Chinese Communist Party or the Communist Party of China, however you'd want to call it. What does this mean? Is it a time for celebration, or should we look at it from the real prism that it is 100 years of suppression, suppression of democracy, suppression of voices of people, suppression of ethnic identities, suppression of religion, suppression of race, all of this and more. And perhaps the next 15 to 20 years could queue up some more of this suppression on display. Let's try and first look at what Xi Jinping, the self-appointed president for life of the Chinese Communist Party, said in his speech. And if you were to decode his message, well, ladies and gentlemen, we all need to worry. The world needs to worry. No foreign power can bully, oppress and subjugate China. But who is bullying, oppressing and subjugating? It's the Chinese. So clearly they know what they're going to do. They're going to flex more muscle. Clear message that China is on the path to confrontation. Must accelerate the modernization of national defense. China will get more aggressive, not just on defense spending, but they will also exercise their military power. Complete reunification is a historic mission. Complete reunification. China will continue its territorial expansion mission because they want to go back to that map which they had 300 years ago. And that's the vision that's been laid out. So this is the whole idea, complete reunification. Attempts to subjugate China would result in heads bashed bloody against a great wall of steel. Strong message. Not just rival nations like US, it is to anybody who dares to stand up to the Chinese. This is what we are going to do to you. We are going to decimate you, is the message. He's also said he wants more heroes. The nation needs more heroes while acknowledging the Galwan martyrs for the PLA, the Galwan, those who had killed by our soldiers of the PLA. That's what he said. We need more heroes. Will promote high quality development of the Belt and Road Initiative. So they're going to push on with that BRI. They are going to push on and they are going to get all the more aggressive. China will continue its vicious debt trap mechanism and also its expansionism, because there is an indication that they have a goal which they have set for the 1st of October 2049. That is 100 years of communist rule of China. But Xi Jinping himself, who's pushing 68, does not have that much time. So does he want to see it in his lifetime? And is he giving himself another, say, 12 to 15 years? Then are we looking at an advanced timeline? We have to see this, ladies and gentlemen. The next 15 years is going to be very, very critical. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also said the next decade is going to be very critical for India. How we behave, who we are as a nation, who do we believe we are, and where do you think we want to go? All of this is important for us to believe in ourselves, to depend on ourselves, to become self-sustaining, self-reliant. Why? Because we have a neighbor who's very clearly bent and intent on suppressing everybody and establishing total domination. Decoding Xi's speech, China's real intentions exposed, is the question that we ask. It's a 1-hour show tonight. We've broken it into two halves. Expansionist CCP is the hashtag. Coup is the platform where you can engage with. We'll talk about the expansionist aspect in the first half and also then talk about what could be the Achilles heel, the one that the CCP fears the most, the aspect that gives them nightmares.